atong nga abrihan.
It is such a joy, this showcase of your local history, rich heritage, and shared experiences through your vibrant dances and performances.
Through music, dance, and prayer, we remember the values of gratitude, community, and harmony with nature. Festivals like this show us who we are and where we come from.
Nagkahigusang mga katauhan, Surigao, puyawanon ka. Isadyang daan maglambutan, Surigao, kitang tanan magsayahog maghujaw. Halat pasalamat, Viva Señor, San Nicolas de Tolentino.
In honor of our patron, si Senyor San Nicolas de Tolentino, enduring the tradition that has continuously united all Surigaonons in all walks of life.
Tatak ng Surigaonon, bunok-bunok ato sa jawon.
Pagpadadyon sa ganang aktibidad na kundiin maghatag sa plataforma ng mga kabatanunan ng Maradyaw-Karadyaw.
Isadyaw na ang maglambutan, Surigao, kitang tanan
Nicolas de Tolentino, thank you po, thank you for giving me this award.
Halat pasalamat, Viva Señor, San Nicolas de Tolentino.